bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
Fixing screen rotation issues on Android devices often involves a few straightforward steps. First, ensure Auto Rotate is enabled in your Quick Settings menu. Second, restart your device to reset any system glitches. Third, check for software updates under Settings, System, Software Update. Fourth, clear the cache of problematic apps by going to Settings, Apps greater than, App Name, greater than Storage, Clear Cache. If the issue persists, a factory reset might be necessary, but ensure all data is backed up.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.